Welcome to session number 39 of What Power Made Easy. Today we are going to discuss about how to talk about the common phenomena and occurrences. So there are 10 vocab for the common phenomena and the occurrences which are as under. So let us start with the phenomena. Number 1, dire poverty. When there is a dire poverty, no resources available, no resources, I don't say that less resources, but no resources, then you can say PENURY, penury. Emotion experience without direct participations. So you yourself is not getting the experience by yourself, but somebody else is taking the experience, or you are taking experience by some other virtual way, indirect way, then you can say it is a vicarious, VICARIOUS, vicarious. Something which lasts a short time, very short time, and then it disappears and vanished, then you can say that phenomena as ephemeral, EPHEMERAL. An inoffensive word for an unpleasant idea. For example, there are very unpleasant words that we would like to avoid when you are talking to a child or when you are talking in a public. So instead of using that direct word, you are using some indirect way to explain the same idea, then it is known as euphemism. EUPHEMISMS. Euphemism. Ephemeral means short living, and euphemism means using indirect way then to express the inoffensive idea. Light and easy banter, it is known as badinage, BADINAGE. Someone who is cow-like in his stolidity. Some person is very nice, very understandable, very obedient, very polite, very humble. Then there is one word for that is known as bovine, BOVINE. Homesickness is known as nostalgic. When you just start remembering the good olden days, then it is known as nostalgic, NOSTALGIC. Harsh sound, the sound which doesn't have any rhythm, which doesn't have any sweetness, which doesn't have any melody, then it is known as cacophony, CACOPHONY. A meat eating animal, then that animal is known as carnivorous, CARNIVOROUS. Something kept secret, hidden, then it is known as clandestine, CLANDESTINE. Now let us start understanding the same words in little more detail. For what of the green stuff? Not having necessary stuff to live. Not having. This is very important thing to understand. Not having. You don't have. Such people live in penury. 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 Lack of resources. Severe poverty. Lived in a time when single woman like herself faced a lifetime of gentle penury. My uncle wasted his fortune and died in penury. At least watch it. All normal people want to need love. If they don't get it, they may often satisfy their emotional longing and need by getting that feeling, second-hand feeling, through the reading of love stories, attending motion pictures, watching soap operas, etc. So that is an indirect way to get the same feeling. So they have vicarious feeling. They have vicarious feeling. The adverb of the vicarious is vicariously, and the noun is vicariousness. The Latin word vicis, VICIS, means change, or you can say alter. Since I have many food allergies, I tend to be vicarious eater who enjoy food through the stories of others. It means somebody else is eating and I am getting the experience that I myself is eating the food. So that is known as a vicarious experience. Time is fleeting. What is the meaning of fleeting? Fleeting means something which is shifting very fast. For example, anything that lasts for but a short time and leaves no traces is known as ephemeral. So something which goes very fast, with a blink of eye it disappears, then it is known as ephemeral. And we normally have a ephemeral memory. So today you read something and you remember it for few seconds, and after a certain period of time, if somebody will ask you the same idea, you are totally blank. So it is known as ephemeral memory. How not to call a spade? Words having to do with death, sex, certain body parts of the anatomy are avoided by certain people. So if somebody die, we never say, oh, he's died. Instead of that, we will say, may God give him a solace. So this kind of words, it is known as euphemism. So instead of telling something which is very direct and ugly, we are using an indirect way to express the same idea, but in a very different manner. So it is known as a sugar-coated pills. For example, let's say somebody is stingy. So instead of telling a person is stingy, you can say he is price conscious. So saying the same idea but in a very better way that serves the purpose. So that is known as euphemism. So these people prefer circumlocutions words. So they just move around the word and talk around it but expressing the same idea. Euphemist is noun, euphemistic is adjective, and euphemistically is adverb. When I was a kid, my teacher described sexual intercourse using euphemism. So I would not be shocked by his words. Now there are certain examples of the euphemism, or you can say circumlocutions. For example, if somebody die, you can use the word expire, depart from life, pass away, leave this vale of tears. Sexual intercourse, instead of saying sexual intercourse, you may say intimate relationship, or playing house, or shacking up. Prostitute, instead of telling someone prostitute, it is quite offensive. So you can say lady of evening, filet de joy, painted women, lady of easy virtue, filet de nude, street walker, hooker. House of prostitutions. House of prostitutions is known as house of ill fame, bawdy house, house of ill repute, bagnio, brothel, bordello, massage parlor. Now in USA, they don't say the house of prostitute, they say massage parlor. Buttocks behind, that is rear end or butt or a tail. Bosom, breast, they say bosom, bust or curve. Toilet, facilities, washroom, lavatory, aid. Small talk. So small talk is known as badinage. Badinage means good humor banter. Although Karan often makes me laugh with his witty remarks, he needs to learn the appropriate times for engaging in badinage. Small, the kind of small banter, kind of funny things. Small, just for the sake of making the atmosphere lighter. So it is known as badinage. Everything but give milk. Some people are having a quality of a cow. They are quiet, patient, placid, phlegmatic, vegetable-like. They are known as bovine. Bovine comes from the Latin word bo. Bo means cow. When my daughter does not want to do something, she always complete the task in a bovine manner. Bovine means following the instructions without any if and but, and do it very disciplinary without any noise. So it is known as bovine. Bovine means cow-like, and bovinity is a noun. Bovinely is an adverb, and bovine means adjective. Good old days, longing for regret for something that is gone, thinking fondly of a past time, is known as nostalgic. 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 Some filmmaker misses the early days of movie making and are nostalgic about actually using film to create motion pictures. Next, sound that great, that is harsh, grating, discordant sound is known as cacophonious. Now the opposite of cacophonious is euphonious. Eating habits. Lion, tiger, wolves subsist entirely on a flesh. They are known as carnivores. Opposite of carnivores is herbivores. Now the person who is a carnivores plus herbivores is known as omnivorous. Omnivorous. Private and public. There are certain things that we do in private. For example, taking bath, eating, reading, sleeping. But there are activity which we need to be done in private secretly. Such activity is known as clandestine. So clandestine is a word which is very universal and it can be used in many different ways. For example, clandestine meeting means hidden meeting, secret meeting. Entry was clandestine. The entry was secret. Developed a clandestine meaning means develop a hidden meaning. Clandestine wedding, hidden wedding. Clandestine plan, hidden plan. Clandestine brothel, clandestine manner. So all these words mention the idea of hidden or secret is equal to clandestine. Now with these words there are certain exercises that we need to do it, and whether we will understand the words correctly or not, you have to do it with the exercise. Do wealthy people normally live in penury? Penury means acute poverty, and wealthy people doesn't have any poverty. So idea is no. Is vicarious thrill one that comes from the direct participation? Vicarious means an experience which you are going to get through the indirect participation. So no. Is a euphemism the substitutions of an offensive term for another or the same meaning that may sound offensive, vulgar or indelicate? Sorry, do ephemeral things last a very short time? Yes. Next, euphemism, the substitutions of an offensive term for another or the same meaning that may sound offensive, vulgar or indelicate. So 4 is yes. 4 is yes. Euphemism is an indirect way to express the ugly idea. Does badiness shows the light-hearted frivolity? Yes. Are bovine people high-strung and nervous? No, bovine people are very good. Does one get the feeling of nostalgia for past occurrence and relationship? Of course, yes. Because nostalgia, when you become a nostalgia, you are remembering your good past. Cacophony. Cacophony is a very harsh sound. It's not a musical or pleasant. So no. Clandestine meeting conducted in secrecy? Yes. Next, here is a pair of words and you have to decide this pair are same or opposite. Penury. Penury means poverty and affluence means richness. So it is opposite. Vicarious. Vicarious means not an actual but indirect way, and actual. So this is also opposite. Ephemeral. Ephemeral means something which is in existence for a very short period of time, and eternal means it is forever. So this is also opposite. Euphemism. Euphemism means using the less offensive words. So correct. Badinage. Badinage means light teasing task. So it is same. Bovine. Bovine means somebody is cow-like, very obedient. So no. Nostalgia, longing for the past. Of course, yes. Cacophony means very bad sound, and euphony means very good sound. Carnivorous means eating flesh, and herbivorous means eating herbs. So opposite. Clandestine means hidden. So it is same. Next, harsh sound. Harsh sound means cacophony. Having a short life, ephemeral. Poverty, penury. Penury. Substitutions of an indirect or unpleasant words. Euphemism. Euphemisms. Experience as a spectator rather than as a participant. So vicarious. Acute feeling of homesickness. Nostalgia. Light half teasing banter is badinage. Substituting solely on meat, so carnivorous. Cow-like or stoic is known as bovine. Secret or concealed is known as clandestine. So here we are ending the session number 39. We will meet you again in session number 40. Now I am going to put this PDF file in a description box. Kindly download the PDF file and do practice on that PDF file itself to master the vocabulary. See you again in session number 40. Bye bye.